So far, this is one of the biggest resort that I've been into in my life here in Boracay.
Wherever you go.
So this is the room right here. Welcome. So first things first, I'm gonna show you this area here. So that's the bedroom. We got 2 beds here. Who's gonna join me in here? I actually love the color here. And this is the TV, big TV at the same time. And what's this room here? Is this close? What's the sense here? What the fuck? Let's close that back and let's check the bathroom here. Very clean, I like it. Very decent one. And also there. Shower. And of course, this is me. This is what I like here. They have their mirror. So yeah, and I'll be showing you the view outside. I like the color here. Oops, open. Oops. Ta-da! Damn! What a view here. Look at that one. So far, this is one of the biggest resort that I've been into in my life here in Boracay. Actually, they're also featured in a news. #1 that there's always been booked in booking.com here in Asia, Philippines. So that's the view there. They have the golf. They have everything that you need here. They have 6 swimming pools in total, like a big swimming pool. Restaurants everywhere. They have Filipino restaurant, Thai restaurant. Anything that you need is in here. They also have their own transport because this is away from the gate. It's about 4 minutes. So yes, everyone, this is the view outside. And this is the room right here. So paid for about 120, 130 per night here. So if it would be you, would you book this one? And aside from that, I'll be showing you around later about the area. But for the room itself, this is how it looks like. And of course, along the way going to the lobby, this is another pool area here or another building because it's a bunch of buildings here and different names. And also, this is the view from outside our room. They have their fake lake that they do here. They also have their golf course if you want, but of course you need to pay for it. They have all the amenities that you need here. Gym, pickleball, or the long tennis, or also the billiard. And also they also do like foam party in specific days for their guests in-house. Walk-ins are also okay, but you need to pay for around $30. But if you're in-house and it's not, they just give you a schedule when it's gonna be. And this is the jacuzzi right here and pool over there. And a little trivia, if you're wondering how big is this resort here, this is in total 80 hectares. As you can see in the video that I'm filming right now, this is only one of their building. They have a bunch of buildings. That's why they have free transportation as well to bring you to other buildings. Because again, they have 6 buildings at the same time and villas, big villas at the same time. now, my troublemakers, let's move to their pool area where there is a bubble show. So this is the foam party that we're talking here, guys. So let's see what's up in here. This is the view from the upstairs. Yes, ocean view, everyone. So let's get it and let's start it. Unfortunately, there's no sun. Aura. Luis here. So that's it for today's video, my troublemakers. As you can see, I showed you the room, I told you about the price, and of course, the size of this resort here and some specific place that I was able to film. But of course, in the video, this is not all the buildings that you can see. There's more into this facility here, guys, but I only covered some of it. But at least now, you have an idea what is a Fairways Blue Water in Boracay is all about. So again, this is around $120 to $130 resort here in Boracay. Actually, this is about 5 to 10 minutes away from the main area, so you need to take a tricycle. But anyway, most of the time, if you don't want to go out, then everything that you're looking for is into this resort. So tell me, is the price of this hotel or resort is worth it? Tell me if it's a yes, and tell me in the comment section if you've been here. Thank you, my troublemakers. See you when I see you.